So in order to get to the Purple Island, one must first go to the city of Mokpo. Mokpo is a port city located in the very southwestern part of Jeollanam-do. So everyone wants to know how to get to the Purple Island, and actually that was one of the biggest problems for me. So when I arrived in Mokpo, I called the tourist information hotline and asked how do I get to the Purple Island. I originally thought that I needed to take a ferry in order to get there because on the map it looked as if the Purple Island was an actual island. Lo and behold, I did not need to take a ferry. I only needed to take a bus from the Mokpo bus terminal. So once you get to the Mokpo bus terminal, you can get on the bus number 2004, bus number 2004, and you will stay on this bus for about an hour and a half. And this bus actually does not take you to the Purple Island, but it takes you to a bus stop where you can get a taxi for about 10 minutes to the Purple Island. So be careful. Thing I forgot to mention about the bus from Mokpo bus terminal to the Purple Island, or the bus stop near the Purple Island, is the timetable. You have to be very, very important about the timetable. So in this video, I have posted a smaller video about the timetable, but the buses run from Mokpo bus terminal to the bus stop near the Purple Island about 2 hours apart. So you can get a bus at 7 o'clock in the morning, 9 o'clock, and then 10:30, and then 12, and so on and so forth. The information you will find in this video. But that means when you're coming back from the Purple Island to Mokpo, you must be wary of the times as well. Buses are about 2 hours apart. So that means you need to coordinate the taxi ride from the Purple Island back to the bus stop as well as you can. That is something that I forgot on my trip to the Purple Island, and I almost missed the bus back to Mokpo. If you missed the bus, then you'll be waiting for another 2 hours to get back to the big city. Boy, is it an experience. The island literally is purple. Well, the island is not purple, but the bridge, the houses, or rather the tops of the houses are all purple. Even the cars are colored purple. So admission into the island is about 2,000 won. So that's about $2, $2 US. And it's a very small fee for unlimited use and unlimited access of the island. You can stay as long as you want. You can walk around wherever you want. There are no places that are prohibited there. However, I do suggest that if you go, you take one of the tours that is in one of the small golf carts around the island. It takes about 40 minutes to go around the entire island in one of those golf carts, and the price is about 5,000 won, but it's worth it because walking around the island on your own can become very tiresome. And also there are no stores or places where you can get water. So be mindful of that. So if you choose to not take the tour, golf cart tour, and you walk around the island, it's gonna take you about an hour, maybe an hour and 20 minutes to walk around the island's entirety. Remember, I said earlier that the buses back to Mokpo are 2 hours apart. And if you miss that bus, that means you need to wait another 2 hours for the other bus to come. So maybe walking around the island isn't such a good idea if you don't have a lot of time. Me, I realized that I didn't have a lot of time. So I cut my tour, my walking tour around the island short, and I went back to the main gate after walking only about 40 minutes. I had the opportunity to go into the town where people are living, and actually I went there because I didn't take the guided tour on the golf cart, so I was really thirsty and I needed water. So I was looking for the first sign of civilization. And luckily, when I went into the town, I begged the people for water and they gave me ice cold water. So at least we know the people there are friendly and nice. First convenience store, or rather the only convenience store, is run by a kind man, and he's very talkative, and maybe he'll still be there when you go, maybe not. But the choices in that convenience store for food are not very wide. So you have ramyeon, or Korean noodles, chips, ice cream, and different types of drinks that you can get, pre-made drinks in a plastic pack. Other than that, there's not much you can eat from that store. So you must venture to the larger Korean restaurant that's located somewhere on the island. I don't know because I didn't go, but I heard it was super delicious. Some of the things that I didn't like were nothing. Everything at the Purple Island was really nice and fantastic, and possibly because I don't complain about a lot of things, but as I mentioned, there was a lot of construction, so we couldn't see much, but you can't fault people on the island for trying to build up the environment to make it better for future travelers. Hey, maybe one of those future travelers will be you. So what I like the most about the Purple Island is that there were not many people there. So even though during this time there was a lot of construction and not that many things to see, it wasn't crowded, so you can move around pretty freely and easily. The best time to go to the Purple Island for me is during the summertime. I went during the second to last week of July because I really like the hot weather. So while you're traveling to the Purple Island or any of your summer destinations, or any destination during any season for that matter, don't forget to bring your camera. And if you don't have a camera, why don't you give the Sony a7 Mark III a chance, or any other Sony camera for that matter. So all Sony cameras are very ergonomical. They have interchangeable E-mount lenses, so all the lenses work on all the camera bodies. The menu systems are easy to navigate, and most of the newer models of the full frame Sony cameras are weather sealed, which means if it rains or if you are in extreme heat or in extreme cold, you don't have to worry about your camera shutting down on you. So my choice is the Sony. This concludes the video for the Purple Island trip that I took to Shinan County near Mokpo, which is where the Purple Island is located. I hope you found the information very useful and valuable, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks a lot. Ciao.
Is 물?
응, 물 아까 먹고 싶다고 그래서.
아.
더 드셔요.
감사합니다.
응, 드셔. 아, 여기다 넣어드릴까? 들어갈라나? 물이 얼마나 먹고 싶었을 거야. 여기다 넣어드릴까? 여기다 부어드려? 이렇게?
아, 아니에요. Oh, it's good.
You know, I've never seen a crab that color before. Wow.